Just want to talk about paint color for a second, and I also got my FabFitFun box, and I got this hat, and I'm going to wear it. Feeling very tropical in it, and it's a rainy, dreary day here in Carleton Place, and I'm putting my hat on to shoot this video. Anyway, there you go. Paint color. If you're into white paint colors, which I have been for the last 20 years maybe, I've painted all walls basically white except for accent walls, and I thought that that would change, and it hasn't. So I'm still on white. I have been in other whites in the past, but maybe for the last 8 or 9 years I've been into this one specific white. It's called Oxford White from Benjamin Moore, and it is just a wonderful neutral. I paint everything in it, like every wall, fireplace, cabinet, kitchen cabinets, everything. And when I paint with a color that is white, I paint the walls, the ceiling, and the trim all the same color, and they're all in different finishes. The ceiling would be flat, then some sheen on the wall, depending on whether you have children, dogs, and things like that, how dirty it gets, and then a little bit more sheen on the trim. I just wanted to share that. And my hat, not really, but I just don't want to take it off. And it even has like a thing inside to fit your head, because I thought it was a bit big at first, but it's really cool. I love it. Yes, feeling very tropical. Anyway, I just wanted to share that little tip about paints. People are always asking me what white I use. It's Benjamin Moore Oxford White, and it is my favorite white paint color.